Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the serial number of your ACER Chromebook 315. In order to do that, first close the lid of your laptop and check the back cover of it. On the back cover, you'll be able to spot this label on which you can find the SNID and the serial number of your device. The serial number is located between the barcodes, and the SNID is located at the very bottom of the label. So I hope you can see it clearly. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.